guys, it's me, Emily here. So I'm super excited for this video. So this is a plush unboxing video. I'm super excited. I got a bunch of stuff for birthdays that's coming up, and also just like other occasions and stuff like that. So, and of course stuffed animals are the cutest, and I did tie-dye for them, so some of this stuff kind of goes along with this. So I'm super excited. So first of all, I already opened this up. I really want to show you guys this, but I'm doing one of the tie-dye things. I'm doing an apron, and I'm having a iron-on patches on it. So this is one of the patches that I got. I found it on Etsy. Isn't that super cute? Actually, no, I think I found it on eBay. It was Etsy or eBay. But it's super cute. I love it. So that's really cute. So I'm putting that because she loves llamas. And then I'm going to open this up because I'm pretty sure that this is the llama plush. I have a lot more plushes coming, but some of them are not all coming at the same time. So, oh my goodness, this is so cute. Okay, so here is Llama Plus. I got this off of Amazon. And it's a tie-dye Beanie Baby, or Beanie Boo. It is so cute. Look at that, and it's tie-dye. That's so cute. Look how cute that is, guys. Super cute. Definitely cute for ESO. I don't know when I'm going to upload this video, but this is going to be an ESO gift. But yeah, super, super cute. I got that on eBay, like I said. Let's see what the little tag says, because I love reading the tag. It says, I'm cute, little llama, all cutty and furry. Take a ride on my back if you're not in a hurry. That is so cute. That is adorable. So that is super, super cute. So next I'm going to open this small packages. This is not a plush, but it's something I found on Etsy, which is so cute. And then I'll unbox the big plushes that I'm going to show. So here it is. I got this cute little card because she loves cats. This is another person, by the way. She loves cats and loves penguins, so I found that. And I think it's so cute. I actually got her 2 cards because she's turning 21, so I got her like a, you know, drinking card, and then this is going to be like the cute card. It's so cute. I love this too. I love the envelope. It's like, you can't really tell, but it's a metallic blue. It's really cool. So yeah, it's just a little card, and it's handmade from Etsy, like I said. That's so cute. I love it. So cute. Okay, so let's unbox the plushes now. So this is from Stuff Safari. They have a whole bunch of different stuffed animals, and I'm super excited to open this up. So yeah, I'm gonna order them from something for myself, because they have something very excited. I don't want to give it away, but definitely check it out. I probably will up that video before this one, but if so, I'll just tell you guys ahead of time. But they have a black cat stuffed animal, and his name is Midnight, and that's my cat's name, and has yellow eyes, and that's what my cat has, so it's like legit so perfect. So I'm gonna get that done. That's gonna be like my Easter present. So I'm gonna open this box. You can kind of see. I'm super excited to see this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, oh my. Look how cute is this? I have a tie-dye snake for someone's birthday. This is a different person. She loves snakes, and I did a tie-dye shirt, and I found this tie-dye snake. Oh my goodness, this was actually not a lot of money at all. Let's see how much. I can look on here to see how much it is. This snake, it actually doesn't say on here, but it was pretty cheap. It wasn't a lot of money. But it is so cute, and then down is blue, and it's really, really, really soft. I love this. This is so cute. That is so cute. And you can like wrap it around you. Oh my goodness. Like, I'm not a big snake person. I'm not afraid of them, but I'm not a big snake person. But like, honestly, I would love to keep this, because this is just like the coolest thing ever. I think she's gonna love this, especially with her tie-dye snake show. This is so cool. I'm going to keep it around here because I think that's so cool. Okay, so the next one goes along with the same person that loves penguins and cats. So I got this stuffed animal. Oh my goodness, look how cute is that? It's a little baby penguin. I got her penguin plush before, but it was like not, this is like realistic plush. So I got her realistic penguin this time. And it's very cute. Look at this little tail. So they have two sizes, and they had the smaller one. I was gonna get the smaller one, but then I saw they have a bigger one, so I decided to get the bigger one. So the smaller one must be like half this size probably, but it is very cute. I thought it was gonna be bigger than this, but it's still very cute. Look at that. Look at that cute little penguin, and it has a little tag on here. This is from Aurora, I think it's called. I know that it's a popular plush creator, so super cute. This wasn't that much money either. Only has to and from on that. Oh my god, that's so cute. Like, yeah, this stuff was like really a reasonable amount of money, because sometimes stuffed animals are like pretty expensive, but this stuff was actually a good price. And this penguin is so cute. I have two more stuffed animals that I got for her, but I know this penguin plush is definitely going to be her favorite because she freaking loves penguins. So yeah, isn't that cute? That is adorable. Oh my god, I cannot wait to get a freaking black cat one. Oh my goodness, I love this company. I love this snake. This is a lot bigger than what I thought this would be. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. So I got stuff for 3 different people, as you could tell. A snake level, a penguin level, and a cat level, and a llama level. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.